welcome back to my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and today we are working on my window. As you can see, the window broke, so it goes up and down freely. Luckily it's not like some other windows where they collapse inside and you got to take the panel to get it, but it does. The motor made a weird noise, and so I need to fix it, replace it. I just have no time right now, so the quickest solution was for me to pull it up, but driving it will roll back down. And then I found just a putty knife. This is the greatest thing. I shoved it down there, as you can see, and it will stop my window for rolling up and down. The advantage versus like a lot of people, they put tape. Sadly, it will leave a residue, and it will also make it hard to roll the window down in case you need to. So this one, actually, I can still roll it down. It is just to hold it in place, so when I'm driving or it rains, the thing doesn't open on its own when you hit a bump or anything. So it's a pretty quick fix. A putty knife, they're like $1 something. What is $1? A Lowe's, Home Depot, most hardware store. It's always handy to have one. I mean, I always have anyway, because of all my jobs I do. But it's great. It was so much better than putting a tape where it would just kind of see. As you can see, it's there. They have them in black too, by the way. It will be less visible than the white one. That's it. Thank you again for watching my channel. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and I'm looking forward to show you a few other tricks. But this one was pretty handy, because if I use tape like a lot of people do, it will just leave a horrible residue in your window pretty much. It looks much worse than that. So thank you again for watching, and that's it. So you got my putty knife in place, and it's a quick fix for a problem, and it will work also if you have you know, the window goes almost all the way down, but you know, like I say, when it goes down all the way, you got to take the panel and pull it back up. Then you can still use the putty knife to hold it in place until you get it fixed. But since you're taking the panel, might as well change the motor on it. Thank you for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo. Please thumbs up if you can, and subscribe.